Hi, I'm Teri with XLAB, and I'm going to show you how to install a Delta 225, which is made specifically for the Adamo saddle with the transition hook on the back. The only tools you'll need for installing the Delta 225 is the 4mm Allen wrench. The small one is included. So the first step is removing this back plate right here. And a tip is to go through the groove of the Gorilla Cage so that you can reach the screw here to loosen it. Next step is to take the back plate, put it behind the saddle rails here. Take your mount, line up the holes, and tighten. Congratulations! You've just installed your Delta 225 onto the Adamo saddle with the transition hook.